A common question that we get at Lewisburg Plastic Surgery is, what is a mommy makeover? Well, a mommy makeover is the rejuvenation of the changes that occur after having kids. And that can include a number of procedures. It includes rejuvenating the breast area and generally rejuvenating the body, usually the tummy. Most commonly, a mommy makeover is a breast lift combined with a tummy tuck, but it might just include breast augmentation and a tummy tuck, or even just breast augmentation and liposuction. So there are a variety of procedures that we might do during a mommy makeover, but in general it involves changing the breast to rejuvenate some of the problems that occur with having kids and breastfeeding. This woman had augmentation. Some women might require a breast lift. And then rejuvenating the tummy, getting rid of the changes, the loose skin from having a pregnancy. And this was treated with a tummy tuck. So a breast lift and a tummy tuck are the most common procedures that occur with a mommy makeover, but it's different for every woman. And that's why it's difficult to give people a precise cost, because there's half a dozen procedures that we might perform during a mommy makeover to rejuvenate some of the changes that occur with having kids.